I feel like this is actually what I want to do in life, you know? And the CCC has that program, so why not take advantage of that?
I've always liked cooking, so I felt like it would be a good place to get some experience going, own my skills that I already have, and hopefully leave here with serve safe managerial, and I can apply for a sous chef position right off the bat.
I want to be like executive chef, you can say. I feel like this is a good way to start in, so you know what to expect when you do enter to a real restaurant.
Trying to get better in different areas that I'm more weak at it. That way, once my time here expires, I'm ready to go, be ready for whatever comes ahead.
So the first shift of the day is for 4:15 to 10:45, and then we have like a 5-hour break. We come back at 3 to 7. We normally cook for like 70 to 80 people, it just depends.
Tonight we got stuffed bell peppers with stuffing inside, aka sausage, some egg, a little ground beef, all stuffed into the bell pepper that was cut open. Butter on top, give it a nice little flavor, and then we got some gravy going over that with some steamed veggies.
I used to cook like at home, but it's different here because you're actually cooking for quite a people, and they critique like your food. They need to make sure like it's good, that they like them, so they're happy.
I always ask the couple members like, hey, do you guys like the food? Do you guys not like the food? Like, oh, this was okay, this was whatever. And then I'll do my best to correct it, or I'll try a new recipe, something else. Oh yeah, always learning, because you can be good at what you do, but you can always be better. Being here, I have honed my skill. I've been able to do better chop, cut things up, cook things a little more better, season, give them more flavor, just more passion into what I want to do.
Getting to like learn more about like what it is to be like in culinary, and like I get to cook like the things that I like and that I enjoy, that I know I'm good at.
This place is giving me a good opportunity to come up and do better for myself.